Okay, so you want to make a line with an arrow? Here's how to do it. Let's go to the end of my timeline, click the pen tool, make the first point. Then this is the tricky part. Make the second point, keep the mouse held down, and then you can move these fancy little arrow guys. Then you let go. Then if you want to change the shape, you can click on the selection tool, and that gives you a nice box. So you can basically update the shape. You can move it around, do whatever you want with it. Now for the arrow, go to the polygon tool, press down on the mouse. That gives you a nice triangle. If you grow it, it turns into something different. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but I really just want a triangle. So I get my triangle. I click fill. I unclick stroke. Then I can go to my selection tool. I can rotate it around. Then I can drag it around and put it on the end. So that gets me my nice arrow function. So now to make it move, I go to Effects. I type linear wipe. I drag linear wipe onto it. I'm going to leave my arrow at the end. I'm going to go to my linear wipe. I'm going to change the transition to 100%. That'll make it disappear. Then I create a keyframe, go a little forward, create another keyframe, make it 0. Let's see what happens. There it is. Practically perfect. Boom. The arrow. Done.